Hello, I just want to show you how to make a quick and simple lace flower. This is one I've done with double knitting. So let's do one in some crochet, very fine crochet cotton, and see what the difference is. So I'm going to make 6 chain and I'm going to join with a slip stitch to form a circle. This is DMC crochet cotton. I'll pop a link in the description where you can buy it. So it's going to be, it needs a 2.5mm hook, so it's quite fiddly, but these make great little embellishments or button covers. So we go up 3 chains to start our first petal, and then we go a treble into the centre of the circle. Make sure you keep your work forwards, don't let it twist round because it's easy to do that. And then we do another treble, and then we're going to go down 3 chains, and that forms the first petal. So join with a slip stitch here, and you can see there we have our first little petal. Really easy, very effective. So we go 3 chain up and we go into a circle, and then we do 2 trebles and 3 chain down. Catch hold with a slip stitch, 2 petals made. So this pattern will make you 5 petals. If you want more, just increase the amount of chain that you do at the beginning on the circle at the beginning. So this is petal number 3. So your pattern is 3 chains, 2 trebles, and then 3 chains and 1 slip stitch. So this is lovely. Now I'm wondering what I can use it on. So 3 chains up. I do crochet in that tail, just because it's one less sewing job at the end. So 2 trebles and then 3 chain down and catch hold in the middle for the slip stitch, and then we'll do one more. And I am going to snip that tail yarn off now because it is quite pesky. It's crocheted in. So 3 chain up, and 2 trebles. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. And if you want more little videos, really quick, satisfying little crochet videos, I think you found your place, because that's what I love. So please subscribe, that really does help my channel to grow. And I'll just fasten that off. And let's compare it. Let me sew that in and then we'll compare it to the double knitting one. So I did the double knitting one on a 4mm hook. That's the back. Let's pull that through and tie that in. Snip that off. Okay, so there there's the lace one, which actually is really pretty. And here, wow, look at the difference. This is a 2.5mm, this is a 4mm hook. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you on the next one.